Hello everyone. For the ULIP digital case solving round, the disruptive technology I am proposing is the use of 3D printing in both research and development and in large scale manufacturing. Now, what is 3D printing? 3D printing, or alternatively known as additive manufacturing, is the process that a three-dimensional object is constructed using a CAD model or a digital 3D model. In this process or series of processes, various materials including plastics, liquids, powders, polymers, or metal can be deposited, joined, or solidified under the control of a computer to create a 3D object. Now, what can 3D printing be used in a corporation like Unilever? Firstly, faster prototypes. 3D printing can be used to make fast prototypes. Using traditional methods, the process from designing a prototype to producing its functional variation could last weeks. Now, the process can be done under a day to a few days depending on the complexity of the design. Moreover, the materials can be adjusted to tailor to different conditions such as heat, pressure. It can also be used to make the object lightweight and flexible. Secondly, reduction in material. In some cases, plastic bottles or containers are made using heated carbon polymers which are placed into molds where they take the shape of the mold they are placed in. In other cases, the item itself is cut from the mold. Both of these instances have a huge usage rate of virgin plastic and create plastic waste if not recycled properly. With 3D printing, the material can be changed as per requirement. Exact quantity of raw materials is used in production, so there is no wastage in cutting from molds. This results in increased sustainability. And finally, in case of 3D printing, you need the CAD model of the item being printed, but this is required only once. After that, it can be infinitely reproduced. As a result, decreasing the overall labor cost in the long term. Moreover, this process is faster than traditional manufacturing. As a result, it solves time too. So, in conclusion, 3D printing develops better prototypes, better products, is sustainable, decreases labor cost, and decreases time requirement. So, 3D printing would be a wonderful addition in terms of digitalization in a corporation like Unilever.